Welcome to the tutorial on the Go formative platform and how to use the equation editor. In order to use this, your teacher's going to give you some problems. They're going to ask you to type in your answer. Now, there are some things that are not so easily typed on your keyboard that you're going to need the equation editor for. So in order to open up the equation editor, you're going to see this little keypad off to the right-hand side. If you click on that, it'll bring up this on-screen keyboard. We're going to go over a few different things: how to do fractions, how to do powers, and how to do parentheses, because those are going to be the main things inside of here that you're going to need to know how to do. So if you need to make a fraction, you're going to use this button right here. It's right below the variable x, the multiplication sign, and sign. Um, you just click on it, and now it made a fraction. So whatever you type on the top will be up top. You click on the bottom and you can type that on the bottom for the denominator. Now, if you need to type stuff outside of the fraction, just click to the right and now your cursor will make it just a regular old number. If you got to go back up, you just click back up there. You can type more there, so on and so forth. So that's the fraction if you need to write a fraction. Next thing up is power. So if you got to write, say, x to the seventh power, first off, you would just type x, or you can type in an x right here. You can use that as your variable, but just you can use your keyboard as well. That's fine. Now, to do your powers, this right here, that's just going to give you second power. So the button right below that, that's going to be your any power you want. So if you click on that, if you can see your cursor went up. Now it's what's called a superscript. So if I wanted x to the fifth power, I just type a 5, type whatever number I want. That's up in the power, or a bunch of other stuff that shouldn't have been up there. Um, in order to get off the power part, again, you just click to the side and now you can just type. Okay, so just click to the side, whatever you're doing, and then you can type some more. That's your power button. Next up is parentheses. So if you need something in parentheses, say you've got to write this expression right here, you just click on the parentheses down here. It's right below the money sign. So this is your parentheses. Click on that. It pops up a parentheses right here, and then just type whatever you need to inside of there. As far as x minus 7, if you got to do a minus sign, you can use either your keyboard for that, or you can use any of these operations here. That's your minus sign right there. So it's really up to you. And that's it. So again, recap what we went over. This right here, that's your fraction. This right here is your power. And this down here is for any type of parentheses you need. And if you ever need to get out of whatever you're trying to type, um, you would just click off to the right hand side, and then that'll make it so you can type some more. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your teacher and they can help you out some more with it. All right. Bye bye.